Welcome back to my channel. For all you folks who work out and want to build muscle, we know that you have to eat enough protein, so eating Kodiak Pancakes are a perfect way to add a good source of protein to your diet. Working out and eating healthy food doesn't have to be boring. Today I'm going to cook some Kodiak Pancake flapjacks, or in other words, buttermilk pancakes. I'm going to share a short review and quick tutorial recipe and compare this Kodiak brand with two other popular brands, King Arthur Buttermilk Pancakes and Krusteaz Buttermilk Pancakes. Most people probably consider pancakes to be a dessert-like breakfast, but these pancakes are packed with nutritional benefits and they are very tasty, so they provide a less guilty any time of the week post-workout breakfast. Let's start preparing the pancake batter. You will need the Kodiak Pancake buttermilk mix. Use 1 cup of mix, 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I like to use the mini chocolate chips. 3/4 to 1 cup of milk or water, depending on how thick you like your pancakes. The instructions call for water, but I like to add milk to the recipe instead of water to add some calcium and other nutritional value to my pancakes. The milk also makes the pancakes a bit more fluffy. Additional ingredients to boost the flavor include 1/2 cup of walnuts, or you can use other types of nuts like almond, pecan, or cashew. Lately I have been using Hidden Hollow Maple Farm maple syrup, which is tasty. My husband and I bought this syrup at a local store called the Lazy Moose Garden Market in Brant Lake, New York, on a road trip in upper state New York, which is about 20 minutes north of Lake George. If you're ever close to that area, it's definitely worth a stop. The customer service is really superb. Pour 1 cup of the pancake dry mix in a bowl. Pour 3/4 cup of milk and stir until well mixed. Once mixed together, add 1/2 cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips and mix together. Heat up the skillet to medium heat and add some extra virgin olive oil to the pan. Scoop about 1/2 cup of batter and pour into the skillet. While we wait for the pancakes to cook, let me share with you a comparison of the 3 different popular pancake brands. Here I compare the nutritional facts of Kodiak, Krusteaz, and King Arthur Buttermilk with a 1/2 cup of batter serving size. Kodiak has the least amount of carbs at 37 grams, the most amount of fiber at 5 grams, and the least amount of sugar. Kodiak by far has the most amount of protein per serving at 15 grams, and that's just with water. On the back of the box, it shows if you replace water with milk, the serving is 18 grams of protein, and if you replace water with milk and eggs, it's 21 grams of protein. Kodiak has the most amount of calcium, potassium, and iron compared to the 2 others, which is a good benefit of the Kodiak pancakes. These are the top 3 ingredients in descending order by weight, so the ingredient that weighs the most is listed first, and the ingredient that weighs less is further down the list. It's helpful to scan the first 3 ingredients so you can know the main composition of each product. Kodiak's top 3 ingredients are whole grain wheat flour, whole grain oat flour, and vital wheat gluten. These 3 ingredients are high in protein. Whole grains are known to be digested more slowly, which leaves you full for longer and prevents blood sugar spikes. Comparatively, both Krusteaz and King Arthur brands use enriched bleach flour and unbleached flour, which are known to be absorbed quicker in the body, which causes the blood sugar to spike. Now it looks like these pancakes are ready to be flipped. A good trick is to wait until the outer edges of the pancake bubble before flipping it to the other side. Avoid flipping your pancakes multiple times, as this can cause the pancakes to get a bit rubbery and not as fluffy. While they are cooking on the other side, I'm going to grind up some walnuts to put on top of the pancakes once they are cooked. Pour 1/2 cup of walnuts into the grinder. Grind the nuts until they are ground to your liking. I enjoy using the Black&Decker brand coffee grinder as it's multi-purpose. In addition to coffee beans, I have used this grinder to grind many types of nuts and ginger and garlic into a paste. It's also really easy to clean when done. Ta-da! Looks yummy! I personally like my pancakes golden and slightly on the underdone side, but you can cook a bit longer if you like your pancakes a bit more cooked. I personally enjoy the chocolate chips within the pancakes and nuts on top. For those who enjoy their pancakes a bit more moist and savory, add some maple syrup and butter. I can't wait to eat these tasty pancakes today with my husband. I really enjoy these pancakes as they are very tasty and also have the additional nutritional benefits like protein, fiber, and other vitamins. I recently tried the King Arthur pancakes and they were tasty. I still have to try Krusteaz pancakes, but I have tried other Krusteaz products in the past and they are good. All 3 pancake brands have good ratings, so you really can't go wrong with either of them. But if you're looking for a protein-packed pancake, go ahead and try this brand. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Feel free to comment what you think about the Kodiak Power Cakes and if you like any additional mixings or toppings on your pancakes.